My name is Nagesh Tompe, and today's video topic is what is Java. Uh, Java is a widely used programming language for coding web applications. It has been a popular choice among all developers for over 2 decades, with millions of Java applications in use today. Java is a multi-platform, object-oriented and network-centric language that can be used as a platform in itself. It is a fast, secure, reliable programming language for coding everything from mobiles like enterprise application and big data application or server-side technology. What is Java programming language is used for? Because Java is free to use and versatile language. It is built, localized and distributed software. Common uses of Java include game development. In Java, many popular mobile computer in video games are built in Java. Even modern games that integrate advanced technology like machine learning or virtual reality are built with Java technology. Cloud computing. Java is often referred to as a Aura, means write once and run anywhere, making it perfect decentralized cloud-based application. Cloud provides choice. Java language is programming and understanding platforms. Big data. Java is used for data processing engines that can work with complex data sets and massive amounts of real-time data. And next one is artificial intelligence. Java is powerhouse of machine learning libraries. Its stability and speed make it perfect for artificial intelligence applications development like natural language processing and deep learning. Internet of Things. Java has been used for programming sensors and hardware in edge device that can connect independently to the internet. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing concept, hub, developer tools, and why Java is used in cloud computing. Build, deploy, and run machine learning applications in cloud is used for Java. Innovates faster with the most comprehensive set of AI and ML services. Browse machine learning trainings. Get started on machine learning trainings with content built of AWS experts and blogs. Machine learning product news and best practices. Java is widely used for programming language for coding web application, and it is also popular choice among for 2 or more decades for developers with millions of Java application in use today. And Java also use multi-platform, object-oriented and network-centric language that can be used as a platform in itself. It is a fast, secure, reliable and programming language for coding everything for mobile apps and enterprise softwares and big data applications and server-side technology. Because of Java is free to use and versatile language, it is built as a localizer and decentralized. And Java includes game development, clouds, machine learning. That's all about the Java. And technologies like machine learning or virtual reality are built with Java technologies. And in cloud, Java is also used for perfect for decentralized and cloud-based applications. Cloud provider choice Java language to run programs on a wide range of underlying platforms. Java is used in a big data concept, can work with the complex data sets and massive amounts of real-time data. Artificial intelligence. Java is the powerhouse of machine learning libraries with a perfect artificial intelligence applications development like natural language processing and deep learning. In IoT, Java is also used. Java has been used to program sensors, hardware in edge, and device that can connect independently to the internet, like our smartwatch and digital watches are coming in our today's life. which are used in IoT. The Java is language used for IoT. That's all about it. Thank you.